Setting up Java development environment. Setting up the Java development environment involves installing the Java Development Kit, JDK, and configuring the environment variables. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you with the process. Download the JDK. Visit the official Oracle website or the OpenJDK website, https://openjdk.java.net/, to download the JDK. Choose the appropriate JDK version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and download the installer. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded JDK installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Choose the desired installation directory for the JDK. Verify the JDK installation. Open a command prompt, Windows, or Terminal, macOS, Linux. Type the following command and press Enter. Code, Java version. If the JDK is installed correctly, it will display the version information. Set the Java_home environment variable, Windows. Right-click on This PC, or My Computer, and select Properties. Click on the Advanced System Settings, or Advanced, tab. Click on the Environment Variables button. In the System Variables section, click New to create a new variable. Set the variable name as Java_home. Set the variable value as the installation path of the JDK, e.g., C program files, Java, JDK 1.8.0_291. Click OK to save the variable. Set the path environment variable, Windows. In the same Environment Variables window, find the Path variable in the System Variables section and select it. Click Edit to modify the variable. Append the following value at the end of the existing variable value, if there are other values already. Perl code, %java_home %bin. Click OK to save the variable. Set the Java_home environment variable, macOS, Linux. Open a terminal. Open the bashrc _profile, or ZSHRC file in a text editor, e.g., V, Nano, or Vim. Choose the file that corresponds to your shell configuration. Add the following line at the end of the file. JavaScript code, export Java_home equals path to JDK. Save and close the file. Run the following command to apply the changes. Bash code, source tilde, bashrc. Or bash code, source tilde, bash_profile. Or bash code, source tilde, ZSHRC. Verify the environment variable setup. Open a new terminal or command prompt. Type the following command and press Enter. Bash code, echo $Java_home. If the setup is correct, it will display the path to your JDK installation. You have now successfully set up the Java development environment by installing the JDK and configuring the necessary environment variables. This enables you to compile and run Java programs on your computer. Thanks for watching.